Doesn't it seem like technology is moving at the speed of light? Welcome to the Google Cloud Tech YouTube channel, your new destination for tutorials, walkthroughs, and developer announcements, with new videos releasing every week. This is where you'll find real Google engineers sharing pro tips, best practices, and answering your toughest cloud questions. Think of it as your all-access pass to Google Cloud expertise. Curious about preparing data for large language models? There's a series for that. Want to learn how to use natural language to interact with your BigQuery data? We've got you covered. Or maybe you're interested in how RAG is changing AI every day.
RAG, it's everywhere. It's not just a dirty towel. I was saying that maybe you use to clean your floor. Retrieval augmented generation.
Whether you're a pro or just starting out, there's something here for you. Our product-based learning paths and industry-leading training programs are designed to help you achieve your career goals. You'll gain insights from real-world use cases, like how devs in India are using AI to improve healthcare outcomes and to translate baby talk, or how major banks used serverless to transform their cloud journey.
Let me share some highlights.
And even some examples based in science fiction, too. We are here to support you on your learning journey and staying up to date with everything you need to start your next big project. Let's build the future of cloud technology together. Join a community of like-minded developers who want to change the world. Subscribe to the Google Cloud Tech YouTube channel and become part of our vibrant community.